Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Max here, coming at y'all with a market review today. Today's Thursday, November 14th. So let's just jump straight to it. So coming in, this is 9:30 here. It's when I start to trade. Uh, I did see something I really did like. We bounced off of 7:30, and we were in this gap. And look how we came off of it. We swung that 9:30 high, and we displaced to the downside, reacting off of 7:30 and the fair value gap. Right here, I should have sold. Um, One reason I didn't is because of the London high, but another reason, if I'm being really honest, is my mentor didn't take this trade, so I wasn't so confident in taking it. But I've proven to myself over and over again that this model works here, so I really should have took that trade. So I think that's what started the impulsive trend today of my behavior, my impulsive behavior today. So let's jump into my trades. I did want to enter here, by the way. Would have caught a nice move, no drawdown at all. But jumping into my first trade, I wanted to finish this move from the 7:30 opening price to the previous day low. After we swept London low, pushed up hard, and failed to push through this gap, I liked how we inversed off of it and respected 50% of the gap. Look at the bodies to 50% of that gap. Um, we inverted it, and I really liked the entry, so I entered. And right here, when this candle inverted this gap, the gap I entered on, um, I got scared, I got out, and I went for a long, even though we had all these lows here. Very impulsive decision. Another reason was my mentor did long here as well. I should have just stuck to my plan. You know, it's you versus you on these charts at the end of the day. Mentor's not going to be there all the time. So as you could see, two trades where I could have went good if I just would have listened to myself. But I closed the trade. I took a little hit, I think about $50 or $60, and then got in here, took another hit up for $70 here, and then I took this long because I really liked how we pushed off of previous day low, and we were showing very strong bullish price action, inverting this gap with shifting structure, making gaps along the way. So I did enter after we inverted all the gaps here, or this gap off a previous day low. Wanted London high up here, above 7:30 price. We never reached it. We went to midnight and pushed down. I got stopped almost break even, just a bit under break even. And then price went back up, swept that high. Before we swept the high though, I did like this. We were consolidating really hard for a minute. Then we made a breaker here, and we pushed off of it hard, creating fair value gaps. So I did enter, and I just wanted to go here, but I didn't take my profit, and I ended up breaking even because it was an aggressive trade anyway. Um, from there, I liked how we swung that high and how we closed on the 5 minute and on the 1 minute. Then we created a nice entry model pattern here, and I did enter, and I held through this break here, but I was in the car on my phone losing service, so I was in a panic right here. My phone was losing service, so literally this candle was the last candle that loaded and time was moving. So I ended up closing the trade right when I got my service back right here for nothing. And that's what got me to where I'm at today for minus 166.50. Yeah, guys, just lesson to be learned here is just stick to your rules first of all. Second is don't make impulsive decisions. Let the move go without you if it has to. We have many days to trade throughout the year. And just like here, I did short, but I didn't know where I would target. Like, this was a good target in hindsight, but I don't know where I would have targeted it, to be honest. If I was in that trade, maybe this low, but I really didn't know where to target. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this market review. Do not make impulsive decisions. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. And peace.